Hi guys, this is Karina. Today we're going to talk about the new rose templates that I have been releasing. This week I did release templates 30, which is my mini extra small rose, and template 31, which is the small. So the extra small is roughly around 6 inches. And then this one is roughly around, I want to say like 9 inches, 8-9 inches. Okay. So I am going to be releasing 3 more sizes. We're going to have this size, which is around 14 inches. Okay. And then another size that's going to be roughly around 16 inches. So this will be template 32. This one will be template 33. And then the large, which is the video we'll be doing today, that's going to be template 34. So for each size, whichever size you purchase, you're going to receive only two petals. And what you will notice is that the inner rose petal, which is your rounder one, is definitely shorter than your outer petals. With your PDFs, what I will be doing is I will write down how many petals you need of each. All the sizes are assembled the same way, so if you watch this video, you'll be able to do all the sizes. Now on my Instagram, I did post a picture tutorial on the extra small as well, so you can find that on my saved Instagram highlight stories. As you can see, the inner rose, so the middle part will be 12 and then 20. And like how I explained in my extra small pic tutorial, because I do talk about it, what you will notice is that the inner center is definitely going to be lower. I don't know if you can see that. And then these are going to be up more, okay? So that's definitely how it's supposed to be. I made this template back in November, and I'm just barely getting to it. Now that I'm on my little break from maternity leave, I guess you want to call it, I'm done with orders. I'm waiting for my baby boy to arrive, so I'm just taking the time now to get these out to you guys, because I have used these before on sets, and some of you have asked, are they out? No, because I was so busy, but now I'm finally getting to it. So today what we're going to do, this is going to be a 2-part video because it might be long. So right now what we're going to work on, like I said, we're going to do the larger rose, template 34. And again, you're going to need 12 of these and 20 of your heart-shaped petals. And for right now, for the video, like I said, this is going to be a 2-part. We're going to work on the inner rose center first. So what you're going to need is trace and cut. So obviously you're going to need your scissors, pencil. I am using cardstock. This is from Michael's. Glue stick and something to curl with. I am using my wooden dowel, which I got these at Michael's as well. And to prep them, and if you follow me, and if you have some of my rose templates, I pretty much do this to all my inner rose petals. You want to curl them inward because this is going to help you a little bit better kind of manipulate the petal. So you're going to start off with 4 first. Okay. Apologies if my belly's in the way. What you're going to do is you're going to add some glue. And you most likely will hear my kids in the back. Husband's off of work today, so taking advantage to record this video. So you can see 2, kind of like a dog bone, I guess you want to call it. And then you're going to place the next 2 on top. Just like that. Now what I like to do is fold these in, so you're kind of making a square, I guess, as you can see. Now you're going to get your 2 outer petals, and what you're going to do is you're going to crisscross them, so go inward. So not like this, you're going to go inward. So you're making a cone. Just like that. You're going to add glue. Press down. Remember, you're working with hot glue. So yes, your fingertips will get a little hot. So just be careful. So again, all the other sizes, same way. Same way we're doing this size, it's the same way you're going to do all the other sizes. Okay, now that you have your cone, which is what you want, up to you, your preference on how you want that opening. If you want it wider, you can definitely do that. Then you're going to add glue on the sides and then wrap around. I usually like to grab one end and then do the other one. Just like that. Same thing to the other side. And do the same. Wrap around. Okay, put that to the side, and then you're going to need 4 more. And more glue sticks. Crop them the same way as we did those first 4. Just like that. Now what you're going to do is grab the first one that we did, add some glue on the bottom, and you're going to center it. Just like that. Now you're going to grab, it doesn't matter which one. I typically go, do you see where this kind of triangle shape is right here? I tend to go with that petal. Side, wrap around. Now, again, if you follow me and you've seen some of my other videos, you know that when it comes to my inner rows, I like to go around in a circle. So now that we did this one, we're going to go onto this one. This is what I pretty much do to all my different version of roses. For the inner rows, is just go around. Okay. All right, now we have our remainder 4. If you're wondering what kind of glue that I'm using the DeWalt. My dad, it was actually my dad's. Well, this is the second one I have, but the first time I used it, the first version I had, my dad was the one who gave it to me because I had this very cheap glue gun that stopped working, so he let me borrow his, and I actually fell in love with it. So then I bought myself one for myself. I think it's from Home Depot. But it's a little screwed up because my clever husband tried helping me one day working on paper flowers. Yes, I'm trying to teach him. And believe it or not, he does not know how to load a glue stick. So he decides he needed a new glue stick, so he pulls out the one that was already in there. I don't know. Don't ask me. I don't know. So now it's a little screwed up. Oh, bless my hubby. Can't believe he doesn't know how to work a glue gun. All right, so as you can see, this was super simple. And we're on to the last one. And that's it, guys, for your inner rose. All right, so I'm gonna stop the video here. And then the next part of the video, part 2, we will be working with these. So what you're going to need to do is go ahead and trace and cut 20 of these and get them prepped. So what you're going to do is, again, get your wooden dowel and then just curl the petals back like this. Okay, so I will be right back so we can do part 2.